Let's switch on your knowledge. Welcome to Flash Revision Lab. I'm your tutor, and we'll master circuit diagrams in a flash. Today we'll be learning about circuit symbols and their functions. To start, let's understand the essential components required to have a working circuit. We need an energy source, such as a cell, battery, or power supply, and a closed path of wires with no gaps to have a complete circuit for electrons to flow. These are the bare minimum to have a working circuit, but there are many more components you can add. Now, let's dive into all the circuit components and the circuit symbols that GCSE students need to know one by one. This is a cell, or if there is more than one present, a battery. These are what provides the circuit with a source of potential difference, that allows a current to flow in a complete circuit. When you see a symbol with two circles, this could mean any type of power supply such as an AC or DC supply. These also provide a potential difference to the circuit. These are diagrams for an open or closed switch. A switch allows you to turn the circuit on when it's closed, allowing current to flow through, or turn it off when it's open as it creates a gap in the circuit. Next up, a fixed resistor is a symbol with a rectangle. It limits the flow of current and has a constant resistance. A variable resistor, on the other hand, has an arrow symbol with a rectangle, and it allows you to change its resistance, which in turn means you can control the current in a circuit. You'll find these in dimmer switches and volume controls. A thermistor has a unique symbol that looks like a resistor with a hockey stick going through it. The resistance of a thermistor depends on temperature of the surroundings. As it heats up, its resistance decreases, and vice versa. The symbol for a light-dependent resistor, or LDR, is basically like a thermistor but with two arrows pointing at the rectangle. It is a device that depends on light rather than temperature, so that means it changes its resistance based on light intensity of the surroundings. The brighter the surroundings, the less resistance it has. A diode symbol looks like a triangle and a line. These allow current to flow in only one direction in a circuit. If they are connected the wrong way round, they have an extremely high resistance which pretty much stops the flow of current. A light-emitting diode, or LED, is like a diode but with added arrows to show that it emits light when current passes through it in the correct direction. An ammeter symbol is a circle with an A in it. It simply measures the current in a circuit, but they only work when connected in series with other components. This means that they need to be connected in the same loop as the other components. A voltmeter symbol, with a V inside, measures the potential difference of an electrical component, but these are connected in parallel with it, so need to be in a different loop. A filament lamp or bulb, which is a circle with a cross, represents a component that produces light when current flows through it. Lastly, a fuse symbol signifies a protective device. It contains a thin wire that melts and breaks the flow of current if it gets too high. And that's it for circuit diagrams and symbols. Thanks for joining me at Flash Revision Lab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more rapid revision content. If you have questions or need extra help, drop a comment below or reach out to us on our social media channels. Remember, with Flash Revision Lab, you're just a flash away from acing your exams. Until next time, happy revising.